Come back to vandalize more equipment?
Mind your manners. Any super-intelligent being can see that my colleague is just upset about the rebel azimuth destroying the terminal. The firefight triggered Axiom's defensive grid, and now the entire city's closed off. Maybe you can help.
What's he gonna do? Fly over the grid and activate the reboot switches? Ah! I'd love to see that.
You did it! The system is resetting!
Alert! Alert! Detected near Avionics Terminal 9. Dispatching units.
Get into a lot of trouble for this, but I'm tired of Nefarious and his troops. Let's see if I can activate this transport tube now that the lockdown's over. Here you go. This ought to take you right to Nurox Plaza.
Transport tube activated.
Elizabeth, what are you doing on this frequency? The entire city is looking for you!
I'm here to cash in on that favor, Jarvis. We need a way inside Pollux Industries.
I knew one day you'd make me an accomplice to terrorism! I'll run a diagnostic on the security system. In the meantime, you better take cover. Another security team is closing in. What we have to do is ionize the hologram's powered conduit. That should give your hover boots enough thrust to send you into the maintenance hatch.
Sounds simple enough.
Not exactly. It'll take all three of us. I'm activating the transport ramps to the west side of the plaza. Head there now and await further instructions. I'm going to perform a remote unlock of all the power switches in this plaza. That should enable you to activate them and ionize the hologram conduit.
Usually I have Clank to translate stuff like this. Got it.
Lowering defense grid. Now.
Okay, I'm in. Linking power switches to your nav unit now. You did it! Conduit is ionized. You should be able to slingshot over the plaza and into Pollux Industries.
Good work.
This is it. Our only way into the building. Last chance to back out.
Age before beauty, General.
Wise guy, just like your father. You made it. Come on. The main office is this way.
Attention. A bioscan reveals in main server room. Mobilizing all units.
Blasted bioscans. You take the left, I'll cover the right.
Precure!
Intend to manhandle me, I'll have you know, I am a level 60 wizard with melee ability. That hurt my pride and my solar plexus.
Looks like there's an obsidian eye somewhere in Krill Canyon. I can't lock on any closer.
Greetings, my old friend. Been a long time. I'm thrilled you're here to witness my greatest triumph. And look, you've met the Elder.
Pity the first Lombax you meet is the shame of his entire race.
So what is it this time, Nefarious? You still trying to turn everyone into robots?
Part of me wants to let you live long enough to find out. The other part really wants to kill you. You know, for old time's sake. Decisions, decisions, decisions.
Attention, VX-99 detected. Evacuate all stations.
Well, at least we know what he went with.
That thing will level the entire city just to get to us. Come on, we have to take it out. I'll cover you from the air. You just find a way to stall it.
Stall it? It's the size of a building! In these situations?
You did it! Now come on! Latch onto my ship! When that turret explodes, it'll rupture the entire core!
Pollux believes the entire procedure will require approximately 183 paradoxes. 84 if the blog participate. Sir, might I suggest we allow the Terracnoids to examine the chamber before testing the machine?
What's the matter, Lawrence? Chicken?
Whoopsie, sir. Butterfingers.
I just learned that destroyed the VX-99. Our sentries are searching for their vessel's signature as we speak.
Unacceptable! I practically handed to you on a silver platter. How could you be so utterly incompetent?
I'll leave you two alone.
Find the clock. Our plans will be ruined. Your body will remain crushed and abandoned on Zorik. Is that what you want? I'm bringing in specialists. Cassiopeia.
Well, hello there.
Karina.
Bonjour.
And Libra.
Hey, how you doing?
Valkyries. Decades ago, your colony was atomized in the era of a supernova. How would you like to have it back?